Welcome back to our brand new video. Today we are gonna make some profit again. Our account balance is 400 and target is just 500, and I will try to make sure to close it within next 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see what we can do. All right. So basically, let me tell you once again, guys, that I'm providing the account management things, and plus this strategy is also available for sale. Like if you want to buy any of you, definitely I can let you know that how it will work for you. Let's wait for the right moment. जुज़्व है लौहो कलम ए जहाँ ते ऊ जहाँ डो है तेरा जूदो करम आप देखो here we go. I jumped in for up. Let's see who will win this trade. His account balance is 423 right now. Now I'm going with 48.83 because today I want to make it. Don't do the like this, huh? I makes it looks too easy when it's not actually. Alright, we lose this trade here. Now we are going with $75. Make sure you do proper money management. Right now I can see the market. It will goes in my favor in this trade. Let me show you how. See here. See, that's why I took that kind of risk. Never do by your own. Huh? Now I'm going to be with $46.49. Let's see what we can make here. I jumped in for up. Let's see. And we won this trade. As you can see, profit 41, account balance is 490 already. Now I will take only 10.80 and we will be on our target. Let's jump in, bro. Alright, I believe here we will be done for the day. Let's see what Marcus says. I love you. Market is saying I love you. I love you too, Market. Alright, we're at 501. You can see the account balance. That's it. Before doing, I told you I will do this in 3 minutes, and I made it in 3 minutes. This is skill. Alright. I put my 5 years on this shit. Don't try to do and put your money in without asking me that how it is really gonna help you. So make sure you guys do your best. Alright. Have a good day. Bye for now. See you soon.